Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another new releases video, and this time it is for our FOXY Fall series, which has 3 collections in it, and these just dropped in time for our Christmas in July sale, which runs from the 25th of July until the 31st of July, where all of the kits that I'm going to show you are 20% off while the sale is going on. So if you like any of the kits that I'm going to show you today, make sure to head on over to paperjoyph.com. So let's get started. So a little bit about the FOXY Fall series is that it is going to be 3 kits or 3 collections, by the way. Each collection will have a different amount of kits that are themed the same way, same color palette, etc. So the first one is a very cute collection, and it is called Autumn Animals, and this is the first kit. Now, for those of you who are just tuning in right now, I want to explain a bit about our kits. So our kits are made for the Hobonichi weeks, and we have several versions of the kits that we offer for the Hobonichi weeks. This is the first one. This is the Hobonichi Weeks regular kits, which come in 2 pages. We also have the 1-page Hobonichi Weeks Essentials and the Hobonichi Weeks Printables. So for the Hobonichi Weeks regular kits, you have the first page here, which refuses to lift. You have your date covers, your decorative strip, individually cut check boxes, individually cut blank boxes, and a second page of your bottom bar, so the left one and the right one, several script stickers, and your header stickers. So this one is the first one. It is called To Bear, and it has a little bear holding a bouquet of flowers and a bit more flowers here, and I think these are not cherries, but berries. If you're into animals like me, this is the collection for you. And this is the second collection, or rather, second kit in this collection. This is called Oh Dear. And Oh Dear has that beautiful, sweet Bambi baby deer. That's why it's called Oh Dear. And she has flower on her head, and there's this little scene behind her. Super pretty. There's a lot of glitter accents here as well. And then you have Happy Squirrel, and I think this is not cut perfectly, but that's okay. I'm just showing you it. It will be shipped to you perfect, I promise. And this has this beautiful squirrel, again with the flowers on her head, and she has beautiful lashes, and she's standing by some flowers. Next we have Cute Fox, and I think this is a fan favorite because this is of course called FOXY Fall. And Cute Fox has this beautiful fox with the lashes. She's smiling. She has flowers on her hair. There's glitter behind her. That's the tip of her little tail. It's super cute, and I love how pink that color is. Next we have Happy Snail, and Happy Snail looks like this. I know not everyone loves snails, but this snail is super cute. Look at her cheeks. She's blushing. She's happy. She's standing next to some colorful mushrooms with glitter on them. Don't you wish mushrooms come in glitter? I don't know. I don't know how that would feel like. Next we have Autumn Hedgehog. Oh, I'm sorry. And this is what that hedgehog looks like. She's saying hello, waving her hand. She's standing next to a pile of acorns, and there's glitter everywhere. It's super cute. So this is really cute. That's what the theme of this is. It's just all cute. And the last kit that I have here to show you is called Autumn Pup, and it's of that little baby wolf with the moon behind her and some flowers here, and she's sitting there and she is giving a little bit of a howl like hello, fall is coming. I don't know what she's saying, but she's super cute too. And that is the last kit of this collection. Once again, this collection is called Autumn Animals. We have a lot of animal themed kits. If you're interested, we also have our winter themed animals, but today we have released for the very first time, our autumn animals collection, which comes with this deco sheet. So this deco sheet was created to be an add-on to your kit. It will match any kit within the same collection. And you have a few things here, so you can put decos however you would like in your planner, and how many you would like. Don't matter, because you got a lot here. All right, and that is autumn animals. I'm going through this very quickly because I am very late for stuff, school and everything. So the next collection I'm going to show you is called Fall Days, and Fall Days is the biggest collection within the Foxy Fall series. It has a lot of things in it. So all of the kits that I've showed you so far were in matte paper. Now we're going to go through kits that are in our glossy cream paper. And this is the first kit in the Fall Days series. So it is very, very fall. And this one is called Most of Fall, from that quote in the cup, I love fall most of all. And this comes in two options, option A and B. And that one is in our cream paper. Next collection we have is called Foxy Mug. And I know Foxy Mug comes in 4 options. This is option B. And you can see the mug there. Super cute. This is cute, but at the same time, very chic. Next, we have our Fall Lenses kit. And this is what the second page looks like. And you have your camera, you have your phone there, and leaves are falling. And you have your notebook there for memory keeping. And this has a lot of glitter in it as well. Super chic. It's a little bit doodly, which I am very much into. So I'm sorry for the traffic noises that you may hear in the background earlier. I've tried to minimize that. I closed my door, basically. That's what happened. I had my door open. So anyhow, this is what the second page looks like for fall wardrobe. I kind of wish I had pink pants now, or at least lavender or peach pants with that orange sweater. It's super cute. I love it. And then I have the next kit, Pumpkin Time. So a lot of pumpkin. This is the time for pumpkin. And this is the second page. This comes in several options as well. I think there's 2 options for this, A and B, and this is A. And then the next kit we have is Seeing Autumn. And this comes in 4 options, just like Foxy Mug. And it is a girl with her hat, and she's holding leaves over her eye. It's super cute. And she's got glitter leaves behind her. And then a wash of watercolor, which is something that I'm really, really into. And if you know me, you know I love watercolor. So those are all in glossy paper. The next kit I'm going to show you is in matte sticker paper. This one is called Fall Coffee. And it says, happiness is a coffee on a fall day. And you have 2 mugs here. You have leaves falling. There's a leaf that fell on that cup. Super sweet, super cute, very, very light. This is the lightest one, I believe, of all the kits that I've just showed you from the same collection. Next collection, we have Autumn Pages, which is like journaling. If you're into journaling, this is a kit for you. I think that there are a lot of Hobonichi users who are also into TN journaling, traveler's notebook journaling, and I feel like this is a very good way to commemorate that. Last kit for this collection, called Fall Days, is Fox in Fall, and it has a little planner there. It could be the size of a Hobonichi original, maybe it's a B6, maybe it's a pocket TN, so the possibilities are endless. So it also has this Foxy cup. Oh my gosh, I wish I had this cup in real life, don't you? And the last thing for that collection is I have a page of, I don't know why this comes only in 1 page. I mean, all the other ones that have been sent to me from our production center had 3 pages of the decos, and I'm kind of sad that I only have 1. So this is for the Fall Days. All the kits will match this deco sheet, and this deco sheet is an add-on just in case you want to use a lot of decos in your planner. So you can choose and match, and it just feels like outward scrapbooking, outright designing, you know, a way for you to express yourself. So that is Fall Days. And the last thing I'm going to show you, actually I only have, for some reason, 1 kit from here. I don't know where the rest went. Maybe it wasn't sent in the same package. I don't know. From our production center, I mean. So the last collection is called Autumn Mood, and I only have one kit to show you. And this one is called In Autumn Mode. There's a lot of other kits like this in the same collection, the same style, the same art style. I'll just link it down below so you can see the rest of them. I'm very sorry I don't have it. I can't find it. If it was in the package, I don't know. I received the package like a few days ago and I only got to filming today. I'm sorry. So that is Autumn Mode. And I'm also going to be able to show you the one page of the Autumn Mood deco sheet. So this artwork is very, very sweet. I've used this same artist for a lot of other kits already. And all of you really love this type of art. It's doodly but watercolor type at the same time. And I feel like this is a really nice kit to have if you're into shabby chic. This is a shabby chic kit or shabby chic collection. And then we also have our doodle chic collection. And of course, our very, very sweet and very, very cute collection. So, recap, this collection is called Autumn Animals, this collection is called Foxy Days, and this collection is called Autumn Mood. And together, they are part of the Foxy Fall series that we have in the shop right now. So the kits that you saw here and all the kits that I wasn't able to show you are all 20% off for today from 25th of July until the 31st of July. I'm not sure what day this is going to go up, but those are the days of the shop event sale as well. And all of the kits that I showed you today will be priced at $1.72, give or take a few cents, because of the 20% off. And then the Hobonichi Essentials is $1.25 as well, and the Hobonichi Original is 86 cents only. So if you're interested in any of the fall kits that I showed you, you want to stock up for fall, now is the time to get these things. And don't forget, you also get freebies like this one. So all orders placed will get this lovely little freebie. This is too big. As you can see, this is way too big. We're going to size this a little bit smaller. I'm sorry, it's not the final size. And we also have tired freebies as well. So I leave a link of the freebies video on the description down below as well. But that's it for us today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. And my social media is paperjoyph for both Instagram and Facebook page, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. Make sure to check out my shop paperjoyph.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!